Good morning, guys. It's yet another day. It's on a Thursday, and I'm going to work. Thank you so much for always supporting my channel, and let's go. So this is normally my morning drive. I only live about 2 kilometers from work, so my morning drive is actually very short. It's about 5 minutes long. This area is called Korompoi. It's around 15 kilometers from Kitengela on your way to Isinya along the Namanga road. So we have a hotel there. It's called Okeju Hotel. So I'm now joining the highway, just waiting for the cars to pass. So let's go to work. I enjoy this drive because it's usually very short. Forgot to put on my seatbelt. But since I'm driving for just 5 minutes, it's okay. So let me just the sound is now better. We have some nice houses here. It's a big project. That's why I go to the car wash. Like I said, my morning drive is very short. And I enjoy this drive so much. It's therapeutic. But sometimes, I like also walking. Sometimes I walk to work. But to tell the truth, most of the times I just drive. We have some school buses there. So guys, just like that, I've arrived. I'm almost arriving, so I'll be taking the next left turn and I'll be at work. Also some greenhouses here. So just like that, so guys, just like that, I'm at work. I'm going to enjoy today. That was such a short drive to work. If you have a shorter drive to work, comment below.